Velkommen til den video. I dag er det mig, Kasper, der laver den her video. Og det er min nye serie på Råhockey 66. Den hedder Bag om detaljen, og den første episode bliver med Neymar. Jeg håber, I nyder den, og skriv i kommentarer, hvad I synes om videoen. Hej hej.
Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned you down in a pulpit. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, where are you now that I need?
What the fuck is going on?
Neymar er en rigtig god spiller i FIFA. Han har 5-star weak foot og 5-star skills. Det kommer til en rigtig god spiller i FIFA. Men for at have et rigtig godt hold rundt om, skal du også have rigtig mange penge i Ultimate Team. Jeg var virkelig nødt til at se med. Det er min vurdering af Neymar. Han får 6 ud af 10 stjerner.
You don't wanna see my hand where my hip be at. With Artemis from the start of this, running the game. James West, taming the West. So remember the name now.